The purpose of this video will be to cover the basics of setting up a new document in MLA format for English class assignments. It will cover visual formatting requirements like margins, font type, font size, line spacing, page numbers, alignment, heading information, titles, indentation, and paragraph spacing. We'll be using the Google Workspace products for assignments. So step 1 will be to get into your Google Drive and create a new Google Doc in the folder you've created to organize class assignments and materials. You can do this by selecting New, Google Docs, blank document. When you create a new document, it's helpful to make sure you name the file either after the assignment that you're working on or the resource that you're building so that it's easy to access and find later. The first step that we're going to take care of now that we're in the document is to make sure that we have the appropriate margins set up. This should be the default, but doesn't hurt to double check that the margins in your MLA formatted document are all set to 1 inch. We can check this setting under File, Page Setup, and then ensure that top, bottom, left, and right margins are all at 1 inch. Next step, font and font size. In MLA formatted documents, we want to select Times New Roman for all of the text in the document. And we want to ensure that the size of that font is set to 12 point. Before we start typing, we also want to ensure that the line spacing for the document is set at double. Next up will be page numbers. Under the Insert menu and Page Elements, Page Numbers, we want the option that is going to place a number in the upper right-hand corner of each page. Place your cursor in front of that number, which shows up in the header space, and type your last name followed by a space. We can then exit the header, but we should ensure that this text in the header is also 12 point Times New Roman. What we're going to type first in our document is our MLA heading. This contains your name, the instructor's name, the name of the class and its section, and the date, all on separate lines. And the month should be formatted as the full name of the month spelled out, the day, comma, and then the year. Next, after the MLA heading, we are going to put in the title of the document. We'll start a new line and then make sure that our alignment is center. With the exception of the title and the page number, everything in our document should be left aligned. The page number will be right aligned and the title will be center aligned. The title of your document should either be the assignment name or some creative title that's going to describe what you're writing about. In the line after the title, we return to being left aligned, and we want to start each paragraph of our writing with an indent. We indent by pressing the Tab key once, and then we can begin typing. To start a new paragraph, we move to a new line and indent again. Note that there is no extra space beyond the normal double spacing between paragraphs, or between the title and the heading, or between the title and the first line of text. This is a standard setup for MLA format. Your document should look like this at the start of the assignment, obviously with your particular information filled into the heading. And now you're ready to go.